Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable Face ID authentication for your banking apps for faster and more secure access, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Ensure. Face ID is set up on your iPhone by going to Settings, then Face ID and Passcode. If not already configured, follow the prompts to scan your face. Step 2. Open your banking app on your iPhone. Look for it on your home screen or search for it in the app library. Step 3. Log into your banking app using your current authentication method, such as your username, password, and any additional security codes. Step 4. Once logged in, navigate to the app's settings menu. This is usually represented by a gear icon or found under your profile section. Step 5. Look for security settings or login preferences within the app settings menu. Different banks may label this section differently. Step 6. Find the option for Face IDs, biometric login, or Touch ID/Face ID, and toggle the switch to enable this feature. Step 7. The app may ask you to authenticate your identity by entering your password or completing another security verification before enabling Face ID. Step 8. Your banking app will now use Face ID for quick login. Test it by logging out and attempting to log back in. Your iPhone will prompt you to look at the screen for Face ID authentication. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.